Many users use custom JavaScript to achieve their goals in Lumiastream. The great thing about our custom code integration is that you don't have to keep all the actions and syntaxes in your head, as the interface has an autofill. However, there are one or two commands that have a lot of content and the input is not always very clear, as it always has small differences. Like for example the call of actions. Depending on the action, a different base, type and value is needed here. But also for this we have a solution. For coding beginners like me, it might be easier to first create my plan as a normal conventional action. Let's say another streamer has rated us on Kick and we want to play a HUD effects, give the streamer a shoutout and turn off our facecam in the process. Since there are no alerts for Kick at the time of this tutorial, we have to trigger this manually via a command. So we go to Commands and click on Add Command. Now we select the OBS action. Here we want to make the camera source invisible. So let's select Set Visibility as type, our scene and our camera source, and click on Add Action and Complete. After that we go to the Twitch actions. Here we select Shoutout and enter the variable message as our username, and click on Add Action and Complete. The last thing we do is trigger our HUD effects. We want to use a random HUD effects, so instead of going to Overlay Actions we go to Lumia Actions and use the new Call Random command feature. Under Command we can now select some of our already existing HUD effects commands, which will then be triggered randomly. Click Add Action and Complete. But we wanted to do the whole thing as a custom code because we figure we still wanted certain features like having the message variable auto-populate or having the command count in another variable to indicate a target. So let's go to the Custom JavaScript tab. Here we now see the custom code interface, which is empty except for the beginning and the end. Now click on Convert Action to Custom Code. A message pops up asking if you want to delete the actions from the tabs or leave them there. We select Yes, which means the actions will now be written to the code and the previously created actions in the individual options will be removed. And bippity boppity boo, you will have a syntax which will execute exactly the action you have chosen before. So you don't have to worry anymore about which base, type or value to set, because Lumia did it for you. Now you can add the functions you want to the code and overcome some limitations of the onboard tools. There are some skilled coders on our Discord channel called Custom Code, and they will be happy to help if you have any questions. Do you already use custom code and did crazy things with it? Write it in the comments. Like and subscribe to the channel to not miss anything, and have a luminous day.